Hello everyone, how's it going? And today I'm going to show you how to draw channels in Forex in the charts. In the first class I taught how to draw support and resistance. To draw in the channels and uptrend and downtrend, we need to identify the low peaks and the high peaks. We go to the 50-minute chart. We can identify this peak, these high peaks, these low peaks, and in 1 hour chart we can identify the high peaks, low peaks, this high peak. So depend on where in what kind of chart we want to work, in 1 hour chart or 50-minute chart or 5-minute chart, we can identify different low and high peaks. If we want to work in 1 hour chart, we must to draw the line with the high peaks. We can draw this chart. We push Control and a second line, this one. So the channels would be support and resistance, an uptrend and a downtrend. Here it would be a downtrend, the first one, and in the channel, this channel would be a downtrend channel. This point, and this point touching the downtrend channel, it would be a resistance and downtrend. The critical point, it would be this, because it's touching this resistance, such a downtrend channel and the typical resistance. So we must to look in 50-minute chart and wait the behavior of the price. Okay, and we must to go to 4 hour chart, 1 hour. This part, if we mark the low peaks so it would be an uptrend. But if we touch the high peaks like this with this low peak, this would be uptrend channel. Okay. So thank you and see ya.